Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today's quote of the day is be the energy you want to attract. This quote means that the kind of people, situations and opportunities you bring into your life depend on the energy you give out. If you are positive, kind and motivated, you will attract positivity, kind people and good opportunities. But if you are negative, energy angry, or lazy, the same negativity will come back to you. So, to attract good things first, become the that good energy yourself. तो दोस्तों, इसका मतलब ये है कि आप जिस तरह की एनर्जी लोगों को देते हो वही एनर्जी आपको वापस मिलती है। अगर आप पॉजिटिव और मोटिवेटेड हो तो पॉजिटिविटी और अच्छे लोग अट्रैक्ट करोगे। अगर नेगेटिव हो तो वही चीज़ वापस आएगी। इसलिए अच्छी चीज़ें चाहते हो तो पहले खुद वो एनर्जी बनो ताकि आपके पास पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आए। पॉजिटिव एनर्जी अट्रैक्ट पॉजिटिविटी, नेगेटिव एनर्जी अट्रैक्ट नेगेटिविटी। Remember, what you give to the world is exactly what the world gives back to you. So, friends, always choose to be the good energy. If you enjoyed today's quote, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Be positive and thank you so much for watching my video.